How to use Uniswap with MetaMask Mobile. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application MetaMask. Enter your login credentials and then make sure that you are signed in to your specific account. In here, you can select any of the network that you want to. If you want to change, click on Ethereum main network at the very top. From here, you can select any of the network, or you can also add network. For this video, I'm going to select Ethereum, so click on Ethereum main network. Now what you want to do is, click on this browse icon at the bottom. Wait for a while for it to load. Different options will be visible to you, but you have to proceed to decentralized exchanges. Scroll all the way down and click on Uniswap. Once you have clicked on it, it will land you on this interface. Click on Connect at the top right. Again, click on Uniswap Wallet. You have to connect your wallet, so click on Select Wallet. Click on MetaMask and then click on Always at the bottom right. The Uniswap has been activated to MetaMask. In order to swap, you have to select the cryptos that you want to swap. Let me select Ethereum and 1 ETH. Enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to swap. If the balance is enough, you'll find the option of swap. All you want to do is click on it and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can use Uniswap with MetaMask. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.